my home garden, and I'm Jeannie Perez, and I'm here to share with you some hacks on gardening. Specifically, ang i-share ko sa inyo ngayon is how to deter fruit flies from your fruits, from your yield. Okay? So, papakita ko sa inyo, one of the perennial problems in gardening is, or in farming is, fruit flies. Usually, yung fruit fly, pag nakadapo siya sa inyong prutas, kakagat siya, at pagkagat niya ay merong uod siyang ipinapasok dyan, eggs ng uod ng worms. So once it has bitten on your fruit, the worms will just grow inside and it's already mortality. Wala nang silbi ito. Just like this one. So, many ways have I used already, have I tested on how to deter these fruit flies. Ang usual na problem yan ay sa kamatis talaga. And it's so sad kasi yung kamatis madali siyang patubuin, palaguin at pabungahin. Kaso nga lang ang usual problem ay yung fruit flies talaga. So the first thing that I did, although kasi I want to grow organic vegetables, so ayoko mag-spray ng chemicals on my plants or on my veggies. So I wanted some organic. So the first thing that I did was to wrap the fruits in paper. But the problem with paper is that when the rainy season comes, eto siya, nagme-melt, natutunaw. Look at this, na ano lang yung paper. And it sticks to the fruit. So, pag nabulok si paper, nabubulok rin ang iyong prutas. So, kasama siya dyan. Now, I have learned, kasi gusto ko ng cost-effective. Sabi nga ng husband ko, professional, na daw ako, how's this? I am already a professional garbage hunter. Kasi I usually opt for options na cost-effective at kung ano yung available resources ko sa bahay or sa paligid. So, indigenous, kumbaga. So, gumamit ako ng mga mosquito nets. However, kasi kailangan kong bumili. I don't have that kind of material. So, what I have lots of old curtain from our old house. So, ang ginawa ko, like this one, I use this sheer curtain, old curtain, tapos ginawa kong drawstring bag, like this. So, ginawa ko siya, I just sewed this on the edges, ganyan. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng yarn dito sa opening niya. So, yan. So, just like this one, ito rin ang ginawa ko. So, what I will have to do is, ito siya. Gagawin ko lang, like this one. Ipasok ko lang siya dyan. I'll just put it here. And, yan, na siya. Close it off. So, presto. Voila! I got now covering for my fruits that would prevent them from pest problems without using chemicals. Okay? So, pag nabasa to, itong fabric na to, itong bag na to, pag nabasa siya, eventually hindi siya didikit sa prutas na so it will keep the fruit from rotting dahil kataya ng sa paper, pag ginamit mo yung paper, mabubulok siya. Hindi siya didikit sa prutas, and then eventually, pag nagkaroon na ng araw, matutuyo rin siya. And what is good about this, another advantage is, this is reusable. After you have used the fruit, then we have cooked the fruit, eaten the fruit, now pick mo na yung fruit, then you can use this again for other fruiting. May I show you my bitter board. ko ang palaya. Ito, ginamitan ko to ng mosquito net. Mosquito net ang ginamit ko dito kasi may natira pa ako nung sa una kong garden. So ito, I did not sew this. I just used staple here. Stapler. Staple ko siya on the edges. Make it this. Tapos ayan na, nakapasok na to. So this one here also. Ito baby, ang palaya. So it's just ready. Soon, be ready for harvesting. Now, itong eggplant ko naman, ang ginagawa ko lang sa eggplant ko, hindi ko siya masyadong pinapalaki. When it gets a little bit bigger, I just harvest it para hindi na ako maunahan ng peste. So, I don't cover it anymore. And, ko rin, namimigay rin ako. Nagbibigay ako ng harvest para tuloy-tuloy akong mag-harvest at tuloy-tuloy rin siyang magbunga. So, that's it guys. Medyo umuulan na kasi. Okay? So, just keep on watching. I will be producing more video tutorials and let us journey together in our learning on gardening. Of course, man watereth, but still it is God who giveth the increase. Praise God, all of these blessings come from Him. Okay, have a nice day ahead. Good day and God bless.